Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is August the 2nd on a Wednesday, and seeing a gap down in the market with Fitch downgrade of US. Let's see what happens. Don't try to assume that the market's just going to fall out of bed on that downgrade, but we are gapping down below our 10-period moving average. Looks like we're probably going to have a date with the 20-period moving average. And if you look back over the last couple of months, you're going to find that this 20-period moving average has been a really good area of support. So that's what I'm going to be watching today. See if we can close above that 20. If we don't, well, we could see some backing and filling for a while. Maybe a reset, down to this 440, maybe the 50-period moving average. But let's take a look at some stocks. Now, on a day like today, I'm mostly focused when I have earnings plays on earnings. So let's take a look around at stocks that had good earnings. AMD, I say good earnings, they are gapping up on earnings. I think you got to watch AMD. This is a really key level, pivot level at the let's just call it the 121.50 level. We're still about $1.50 below that, but keep an eye on that. If it does get above that with some really strong volume, that could be a great move above that pivot level. Another one, RINN has been RIVN has been holding up very well. It is gapping down now. Looks like it's gonna, it's been holding this 10-period moving average very well. So keep an eye on that RIV, even though that's not a earnings play. And ELF is off of earnings. Now this thing has been going straight up for a very long time, just charging higher, and it is gapping to all-time highs. So be careful with that. Could be a sell the news event. And one other is Extreme. Keep an eye on that one. Earnings play, gapping up. Watch it above that level. Have a good day, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.